The outliner tool is one of those hidden tools in SketchUp. For me, I never really used it, never really knew it was there. It's really a great tool. It helps you view any of your groups and components and creates a hierarchy or a tree of any groups or components that you have nested. To get to it, you can go to Window, Outliner, and it brings up this little palette here. So 505 is the name of our SketchUp file. So that's chapter 5, section 5. And what you'll see here is two definitions with the little black square. And that, if you click on it, is a representation of the group that we have. So rather than calling this group, we can actually rename this all the way at the bottom here. Let's drag this over a little bit. Call this second floor. And we can rename the other one. Call this first floor. And it's great if you have a very large, complex model. Instead of trying to click through geometry, you can simply just double click on the title in the outliner, and it'll open whichever group or component that you're clicking on. You can hide groups, you can lock groups, you can explode them, convert them into components, and other right click or context click elements that you would get normally if you right click on the object itself. They're all here as well. You have a little details icon as well, which this is really the details icon in SketchUp. We'll see this in other tools. It'll allow you to either expand or collapse, and then you can also sort by name. So Outliner definitely has its uses. There are times where I certainly don't use it at all because I have small models and don't really need to click on these. But I certainly use it a lot for larger, more complex models. If you're familiar with Revit or with BIM models, importing a Revit model into SketchUp, it's very challenging to change textures. So I use Outliner here to actually select all the groups that are transparent, so they could be glass. And then I just make material changes using Outliner versus having to click on each individual component or definition as it was defined in Revit. So again, Outliner, really great to use just to organize your model and kind of see what you got going on. Some other great tools that you can use are layers, and we'll get into that next.